Nice to see you again. Today I'll talk about common plant diseases and how to prevent or cure them. Learn to identify the symptoms of diseases and practice prevention to protect your plants from crippling diseases. The first step in a systematic approach is to identify the pathogen. Next, choose a treatment strategy that is responsible, reliable, and safe. 1. Black spot. Black spot is a common disease on roses, but it can also affect other ornamental and garden plants. This fungus causes black, round spots on the upper sides of the leaves. Lower leaves are usually the first to become infected. Infested leaves turn yellow and fall off the plant in severe infestations. Black spot is a problem during prolonged periods of rain or when leaves have been wet for 6 hours or more. Spores of black spot overwinter in fallen leaves. Tips for controlling black spots on leaves: plant in soil that drains well. Regular feedings of organic fertilizer will keep your plants healthy. This will aid in the prevention of fungal disease in plants. 2. Powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is a fungus that wreaks havoc on many of our landscape plants, flowers, vegetables, and fruits. Powdery mildew is easily identified. Infected plants will have a white powdery substance on the upper leaf surfaces, but it can appear anywhere on the plant, including the stems, flower buds, and even the fruit. This fungus thrives in low soil moisture conditions with high humidity levels on the plant's upper surface. It affects plants kept in shady areas more than those kept in direct sunlight. Tips for controlling powdery mildew: before purchasing plants from a greenhouse, inspect them for mildew and insects. Wiping off the leaves is not an effective powdery mildew treatment because it returns within days. All infected debris should be removed because spores overwinter in it. Trim infected plant parts and discard them. Do not incorporate the debris into the soil or compost pile. Plants should be spaced far enough apart to promote air circulation and reduce humidity. 3. Blight. Plant blight is a common disease. Blight is a fungal disease that spreads through wind-borne spores. As a result, spores can cover large areas and rapidly spread infection. Blight can only spread in warm, humid conditions, especially if there are 2 consecutive days with temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels above 90% for 11 hours or more. There is no known cure. Prevention is the only option. Tips for preventing blight: discard any plant parts that have been infected with blight. Clean up any fallen debris from your diseased plants and dispose of it in the trash. Do not add anything to your compost pile. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I sincerely hope that the information provided is of some use to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.